Hey everybody, this is an interactive video lesson about how to multiply fractions. All right, so we're going to do 4 problems together. So what I want you to do is I want you to take notes with me. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come over here and grab a pen or a marker. It's your choice. Okay, I'm going to go with blue. Okay, and our first problem we have is we have 3/5 times 1/2. Okay, now the way you multiply fractions is actually pretty simple. Okay, what you do is you multiply the numerators together, and then you multiply the denominators together. Okay, so the numerators are the 3 and the 1. So 3 times 1 gives us 3. And then when you multiply the denominators, 5 times 2 gives us 10. So our answer is 3/10. That's how easy it is. So you multiply the numerators, okay, and you multiply the denominators. Now, there's other ways sometimes to reduce it before you multiply, but for this problem, we didn't have to reduce. So our answer is 3/10. All right, let's go on to the next problem. All right, this time we have a fraction times a mixed number. All right, so this one's going to involve one extra step. We need to write this as an improper fraction first. Okay, so this is going to be 3/5 times, and when I make this improper, it's going to be 5 times 1, which is 5, then add the 4. So it's going to be times 9/5. So 9/5 equals 1 4/5, okay, as a fraction. But now that it's written this way, now I can multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators, okay? So 3 times 9 is 27. And 5 times 5 is 25. And right now we have an improper fraction, which is okay, but I'm going to change this into a mixed number. So 25 goes into 27 one time with 2 remainders. So it's going to be 1 and 2/25 is our answer. So anytime you multiply fractions that involve a mixed number, you have to make them improper first. Okay, then you can multiply. All right, let's go on to the next problem. All right, here we have an input-output table. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to complete this table by multiplying each of the n numbers by 1/2. Okay, so our n numbers are 4, 8, 10, and 26. And we're going to multiply each one by 1/2. That's going to be the rule. Okay, so let's write it over here. So we're going to multiply 4 times 1/2. Now 4 can really be written as 4/1. So 4 times 1/2 is going to be, well, 4 times 1 is 4. And 1 times 2 is 2. And then when I reduce that, 4 divided by 2 is 2, right? So our out value is going to be 2. All right, let's multiply 8 times 1/2. So 8/1 times 1/2. 8 times 1 equals 8. 1 times 2 equals 2. And again, I could reduce 8 divided by 2 can give me 4. All right, hopefully you're kind of seeing a pattern here. All right, our next input number is 10. So we're going to multiply 10 times 1/2. And again, I'm going to write 10 as 10/1. And when I multiply the numerators, 10 times 1 is 10. And when I multiply the denominators, 1 times 2 is 2. And 10 divided by 2 gives me 5. All right, so this is going to be 5. And our last one is going to be 26. So it's going to be 26/1 times 1/2. And when I do that, I get 26 on the top and 2 on the bottom. And 26 divided by 2 is 13. So 13 is our output. All right, we have one more problem together. Let's go on to the next slide. Okay, this is a word problem. Okay, so there are 20 children in the park. 2/5 of them are playing sports. How many children are playing sports? All right, so one thing you're going to learn is the word of in math means multiplies. Let's put a little X under the word of. So to figure out what 2/5 of something is, we're going to multiply it by 2/5. So we're going to multiply 20/1 times 2/5 And again, your teacher might want you to cross reduce here, okay? But I'm going to just multiply the numerators together. So 20 times 2 is 40. And then I'm going to multiply the denominators. 1 times 5 is 5. And now I'm going to reduce. So 40 divided by 5 is 8. So 8 of the students are playing sports. All right? So hopefully you have a little better understanding about how to multiply fractions. Good luck with the rest of the problems.